Hi, Bill Yaden with Jon-Don Products. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the categories of products that is probably the most misunderstood, but it's also your most versatile product. That category is traffic lane cleaners. Now that term came about when we made the transition from shampooing carpets to hot water extraction, and that's when they developed traffic lane cleaners, which were designed for those heavy traffic lanes. Now today we actually have changed the terminology a little bit. We call them pre-sprays, or we may even call them preconditioners. Regardless of what you call it, it's the best product you've got for the most versatile carpets that you're going to be doing. So how do we use these products? We basically use them in a sprayer. This could be either a power force type sprayer or the old pump sprayer. The idea is that they are going to dissolve or suspend the soil that's in the carpet itself. This will include not only the oily traffic lanes that you get, but also be the general spills. As a matter of fact, you should get about 95% of all the spots in soil suspended just when you use your pre-spray properly, okay? Now, what are we going to do? Why do we use different types of pre-sprays? In other words, I've got 4 products here, and we have different products for different types of soiling conditions as well as different types of fibers. So as we look at our first product, Matrix Grand Slam, that is our general preconditioner. With a pH under 10, that means it's safe on any type of stain-resist carpet or any synthetic material. It is your most versatile because you can use it in restaurants, commercial, residential, you name it, that's your product. Second one, by its name, olefin preconditioner. Guess what? It's going after those nasty olefin carpets, especially those ones that are in restaurants and office buildings where you got some trafficking in there, where it's really starting to get that yellow discoloration. The third one is going to be the one for restaurants. And you know the ones I'm talking about, the ones where you got about a ½ inch of grease, and you got to break it down. That's Matrix Enzyme Pre-Spray. Boy, when you use that one, your job gets a lot simpler. And then we get down to our last one for the green audience, or for the wool carpets, or maybe some of the cotton fabrics, something that's a little bit milder, but very safe and very green. That is going to be your Planet Guard product. So each one of these is for their own specific niche. So the idea is, why should I do this? Why can't I just use my truck mount and just use a detergent in there? Because the detergent is only going to be on that carpet for about a microsecond, and then you're extracting it out. The pre-spray is going to break it down. You need to use agitation. You need to use dwell time, 10 to 15 minutes of dwell time, and this will make your job easier. Your biggest cost is going to be labor, and this will cut down labor. If you're doing 3 houses right now with no pre-spray, you'll do 4 houses in the same amount of time. You're going to have less cost, and you're going to have more money, and you're going to be feeling a lot more fresh when you're done at the end of the day. You need to use a pre-spray.